So this is the water pipe for Vauxhall Vivaro. So how this pipe connects is just like so. This particular bit, because why I'm changing this pipe, because this pipe is leak. Yeah, have a leak. So if you want to do this job, you have to like move the whole bumper. Then you have to get access to the pipe. So this pipe is connected to the water housing, which goes inside there. What the water housing is somewhere beneath inside, if you can see properly, somewhere under the high pressure pump. Then this pipe is connected to this. You can see it's connected all this way. Then it's connected to this sensor, water pipe sensor, this water sensor. Then this one is connected to the radiator pipe. This other end is connected to the radiator pipe. You can see. So one is going to go into this pipe, going to the radiator, and the other end is going to the engine. You can see going straight into the engine. So this one is going to connect here, and that one is going to connect here, and this other one is connected to this pipe too. Okay, so this one is connected to the water housing, which is going straight, so you have to open this one, and this other one is going to the oil cooler. You can see it's connected to the oil cooler. And as you go, and just have to lose this last one. Collect. So this one have one here go to the oil cooler, this one here, and that one there. Yeah. So these two pipe goes to the oil cooler. This one go to the water housing. That's good for there. This one go to the radiator, damn big radiator. Yep, pretty much. This one sensor, this one radiator top one, and this one water housing. Yeah, this is how you choose your pipe for Vauxhall Vivaro 2016. Thank you. Like and follow for more. Bye.